I love learning new things about nutrition. I guess that's why I became a dietitian, huh? But I just love learning little factoids about foods and beets. I wanted to eat beets today because of Valentine's, but what do they have to do with weight loss? And I just find it so interesting to learn all these cool things. Beets have a phytochemical in them called betanins, and those have some promising role in combating obesity because of the way they've been found to convert white adipose tissue to a different type of fat tissue called brown fat. Brown fat helps generate heat for our body, and it actually burns energy, burns calories in our body. So that actually could be a promising way to help us lose weight, is by eating more beets to help convert this fat from white fat to brown fat in our bodies. Isn't that cool? Now, just keep in mind, this is not medical advice. Please consult your physician before making any dietary changes, because for some people, beets are not advisable. Just, as a word of caution, they are very high in oxalates that can cause kidney stones in some people. They also have the issues they can cause with low blood pressure. And so make sure that you're clear to eat beets before you add them into your diet. But for the rest of you, I hope you enjoy, in moderation, of course, and have a happy Valentine's Day.